Welcome to the Scale Up, the Entrepreneur Simulator unboxing video. This is a fantastic for startups, scale-ups, incubators, accelerators. Really useful to be able to use this kit. Obviously, the first thing that really kind of jumps out at you is the fantastic design that the team have come up with. So as we open it up, we will go through each section. So we've got the Scale Up instructions. We also have the three how-to user guides for the tools which will accompany this, and we'll go into a little more detail. So we've got building your scale up, the investor map, and the long-term funding roadmap. So we'll dive into those a little bit later. Obviously, the all-important cash that the teams will be using to be able to fund their scale up. Let's dive into the company cards. So we have obviously a number of industries. We've got tourism, solar, seafood, healthcare cards, and obviously we have a debrief card in there as well. Very good, we'll delve into those a little bit later. You've got two types of investor cards. You have your regular investor cards and also some super investor cards as well. Again, we'll dive into those. Obviously part of the simulation is that you have your boom and bust cards. So again, these are all about the gameplay of the simulation. So it's all part of the experience. Some more investor cards. And we also have the strategy cards. So these are really good. You can actually run your own simulation just using these cards and no other parts of the simulation kit. We'll also go into these a little bit more as well. So you have a number of different elements that we'll be looking at. You have your capital and finance sheeting, where you'll work out your equity splits. You'll also look at the cap math tables as well. So again, those are really useful, really great. You can order more of those either via the Strategy Tools team, or you can also order them and get them printed locally. We also have three boards. These boards are for the Facilitator boards, and as you see, it's got this up there. So you've got the bank where we store our money. You've got where you keep your investor cards. You've got some instructions on there as well. Obviously the strategy cards and instructions. So again, everything's pretty self-explanatory. We always get your little box of tricks as well. And obviously, what I like about the team is they always put you more than 2 die in the box, and then obviously you've got your characters that will be plomping around the way around the board as we move forward. And then finally, obviously, we have the board, and as we unwrap that, you'll see again a really good design on the board. And obviously you'll see where the boom and bust cards go and all the different elements of the board. So fantastic. What we're doing, we will now have a deep dive into some of the other sections and each of the elements of the Strategy Tools Scale Up Entrepreneur Simulator. So thank you very much. We'll move on to the next bit.